is panicking. Sabela had to tell her to calm down or else she's going to be the first suspect. Usta has even wondering what's going on between you two because it's like you're hiding something. Xoli goes to work and Uskalo sees something is shady with Xoli, like she's unsettled. She panics and tells Sabela that Uskalo knows and she's on to them. Sabela realizes that he lost his wallet and the police come knocking to ask them questions. The girls at Vibes, but Thembi came to their rescue. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Amalanga Wafani. Uxolo uyapanika nkosi yami, she's very jumpy, akazi ukuthi ezenzeni, uthuthukile nje, she's just feeling unsettled, and Usabela is like, you know what, if you carry on like this, you'll be the first suspect. You need to go to work and pretend as if everything is right, because if you skip work, people are going to start suspecting you to win. You know what's going on. And then Uxolo, I can't, like, there's no way I'll manage if I go to work. I'll get caught. So let us know you need to go there and act normal, or else do you want us to get arrested? When Star comes, they keep quiet. Star, what's going on with you two? You've been acting shady all weekend. It's like, if you feel something, there's something that you're hiding. Uxolo goes to work, find Uskalo busy trying to reach Tsunami. Tsunami ngabambi ucingo and asked Uxolo ukuthi awuphi Tsunami because we have a meeting. We're supposed to have a meeting. But akabonaki. Uxolo lies and says, let me just try and call him. And says, awungawaruzoza. Uskalo is like, but when last did you speak to him? Uxolo uhamba I would say Tuesday, Thursday. It's like Storsaka Slangani. Uskalo is like, you know what, let me involve the police. I don't think you should. You must. Tsunami is probably having fun somewhere, no Magdela or some new girlfriend. And then she panics and goes to tell Sabela, yo, I think Uskalo is on to me. He asked me a lot of questions and didn't believe me. And Sabela is like, I hope you did deny it, right? I did. So I panic again. I can't approve Lomodi is just asking questions. But Uxolo is struggling. And then Usabela gets a call from Usta saying, I'll put Muzela in Nale Dupung. So Usabela and Uxolo must go back home. Usabela wants to pay because he was at Vibes and now he can't find his wallet. He decides, just put it in my tab because I don't know where my wallet is. I probably left it at home. Kanti hey, wallet is Tsunami. They get home to find police waiting for them. Bangasathuka Uxolo no Usabela. Why are the police doing here? They're coming to cook them up ngembuzo. I wonder because now it's even worse because iwallet kaSabela is left le Tsunami. And then sister boss Thembi is busy man hyping her team Vibes and everything is going well. It's packed, there's a lot of customers. Some girls asked to take pictures with her. The next thing, some guy goes to give the bartender money, wanting to give, paying him. So I was the girls, they ordered champagne, with those champagne glasses. And then now these guys are pushing the girls to drink. They're falling asleep, they're dizzy, they're falling asleep. They're picking them up, trying to carry them to go out with them. Where are you taking these girls? But no, they were girlfriends. I said, you guys are lying. They came alone. I saw these girls, they came alone. Why are they so drunk so fast? I just took a picture of them. Thembi really saved these girls. Yeah, I don't know who they dragged them because we were funagba isapi. Now, Usipho is dealing with Unandi because Unandi umphoxile ukuthi akafuni yena ufuna umpande. Now, Usipho is pretending to be umpande. And Unandi is trying by all means to see Umpande, but he's busy playing with her feelings, saying Hamba is in a bus. Unandi is wanting to rush there. The next thing, Jiki, no, you late Hambil. Unandi even missed school saying Gula. She's got a stabby back. Kantu namanga kulumfan. And then Anel is cleaning a supposed room and picks up a letter. Reads the letter and realizes something is off. Remembers all the other things that do not add up. Usipho had a teddy bear for Valentine's. Ethengele Unandi, but wrote that it's from Bande. Athi uyabuzwa Anele and story sangazwakali. And then Anele saw the same teddy bear enikezwe Unandi. Amtshela ukuthi I saw this with Usipho, but it didn't make sense. Now Anele uyabona ukuthi Usipho is playing with Unandi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.